I don't know. She's just looking at the sand.
Huh? What'd you say?
Are you some kind of freak?
No.
Are you sure? I mean, you're not even real Nazi. Look at these hands. I mean, look at them. Hey! Back off, fish lips. Oh, another four-fingered freak.
Look at his little baby tail.
Don't touch me.
Oh, baby tail. Oh, baby tail. It is so cute.
You heard what she said. Leave them alone.
Oh, big brother, come.
Back off. Now. And from now on, I need you to respect my sister. I know this hand is funny. Look, I'm a freak. Alien. But it can do something really cool. Watch. First I ball it up real tight like this. Okay? Then